Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be discussing a dash cam solution for drivers that want ultimate protection. Alright, so the company is DisplayRide, and they call their dash cam a rideshare monitoring platform. They advertise it by saying that you can install and go within 30 seconds. It's a dual camera dash cam with an LCD display, and both cameras record at 720p at 12 frames per second. And the main feature of this cam is it is a cloud-based camera. It of course automatically documents video and audio of every ride, and it provides an SMS to your phone with a link to the video summary after every single ride. And here's a look at what one of those summary videos looks like. Now, they've also partnered with a company called Legal Rideshare, which specializes in protecting rideshare drivers. So if there's ever an incident that happens with you, you have that connection with Legal Rideshare. You can have a free initial consultation. There's also an optional telematics option, which if you choose, it will send you safety scores and eco scores, which are made available periodically. And there's also an optional incident reporting system. If you're ever in an accident, some automatic triggers take place, video is sent, and you will receive an accident report with some telematics data, so you don't have to do as much legwork. Alright, so as far as cost, the camera itself is $20 a month to use their cloud services, and you're essentially subscribing to their services for 2 years. So it's essentially a total cost of $480. Here's some of the fine print. You can see that the audio recording is available only in single party consent states, so make sure to check your state before you request that audio recording option. Again, telematics is an optional feature. It also includes emergency video and accident reporting for $5 a month extra. You will be paying a one-time shipping fee of $10 for shipping the device. And again, you're signing up for a 24-month contract, so an early termination fee of $50 is charged if you decide to leave that contract at any time. Alright, so overall, this is the option for those of you drivers that really want to protect yourselves, be completely protected while you're driving rideshare. It is a cloud camera, so that footage is constantly being uploaded to the cloud. They've also partnered with Legal Rideshare, so you have some automatic legal options if you ever do have an incident while driving rideshare. It's a pretty straightforward solution. They say that you can install and go within 30 seconds. I found that to be pretty true. The device itself is a little bulky. It mounts to your windshield via an adhesive tape. It would have been nice if it would have like a suction cup mount as well, but it just has that adhesive option. I personally like the suction cups because then it's easy to remove if you want to. Also, that LCD screen is always on. You can't turn it off. There is no sleep mode. There are also periodic audio reminders letting you know that the ride is being recorded. You can't turn that off. I personally would like the option to be able to turn that off, but essentially DisplayRide has it set up that way to protect the driver as much as possible. Having that LCD screen on all the time lets the passenger know that they're being recorded. They know, they see that that screen is on. Those audio reminders are there as well. And as far as the footage, again, they do send those automatic SMS messages to you every time. They say it's after every single ride, but it's actually after every single time the device is powered off. And here's what one of those SMS messages look like. And you also receive an email as well. The footage is also stored locally on the device, but also in the cloud, so you have multiple options to obtain that footage. Now, as far as a comparison to some of the other cloud dash cams that we reviewed, again, with DisplayRide, there's just that initial $10 shipping cost. The Owl Cam is $200 to purchase, and the Blackview is $400 to purchase. The monthly cloud cost with DisplayRide is $20. It's $15 with Owl Cam, and there's no cost with Blackview's based cloud option. And with DisplayRide, you can access footage via a web portal or a phone call or send an email. With both Owlcam and Blackview, you access the footage via an app. The total cost after 2 years is $490. The Owlcam after 2 years is $560. And again, the Blackview is just that $400 initially to buy the camera. Alright, so overall, again, this is a great solution for those of you drivers that want to be completely protected. And we will have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase this device. But what do you guys think overall about this? Is this something personally that you would like to use? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe and drive safe. Thanks.